Long ago, all life originated from the sea. Today, intertidal zones out to the continental shelves harbor incredible amounts of biodiversity. And its various species of algae, the largest of which are known as seaweeds, that support this abundance of life. Seaweed grows fast, some species over a foot a day, and if harvested correctly, is a sustainable resource with a multitude of uses. In California, residents are allowed to harvest up to 10 pounds of seaweed every day. As gardeners, we can use kelp and other seaweeds to nourish our plants on land. Today, we'll be making a tea of sorts, which we can apply to our plants as a foliar feed. We're washing the seaweed well to remove any excess salts. Various studies have shown that rather than acting as a fertilizer, seaweed acts as a biostimulant when applied to plants. Application as a foliar spray seems especially effective at eliciting a phyto response, with conferred benefits being improved resilience to pests as well as increased chlorophyll production. We are laying the seaweed out in the sun to dry. This will break the cell walls and help allow our brew to more easily extract the compounds we are after. At these mid-July temperatures, it took only a day before our seaweed was shriveled up and ready for the next step. This is a portable air stone and pump, which we will be using to oxygenate our brew in just a few minutes. After placing the dried seaweed at the bottom of a bucket, we are filling it up with water, thus beginning our extraction. Oxygen is consumed as microbial activity breaks down our seaweed into various components. Properly aerating our brew ensures this oxygen supply does not get depleted. This air stone has a pulse mode, which greatly extends its battery life when not connected to a power source. We will let this brew for 24 to 48 hours before returning to check on progress. Two days later, our tea is ready to use. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? Like Poseidon's brew. It's always a good idea to dilute teas like this, especially the first time around when spraying. We are also making sure to spray in the early morning to reduce the chance of water droplets magnifying the sun's hot afternoon rays. In some ways analogous to a probiotic for plants, our brew is feeding the microbiome which lives on our plants' leaves.